Hey, what's up, guys? This is Karthik here, a digital influencer and entrepreneur, founder, and director at Codulon Foundation. Guys, in the previous video of Python end-to-end course tutorial, we all have just discussed about roadmap for Python, and in this video, we are going to discuss about Kiwi. So, before getting late, let's get started. And guys, before starting the video, make sure that you have liked this video, subscribe to Codulon Docs channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to visit on codulon1.pythonanywhere.com, in which you can learn more than 8 plus languages, and you can run and compile your code using this code playground section, and even you can encounter your doubts very easily and very quickly using this discussion section. So anyways, let's start the video. So guys, here you can see Kiwi is a platform independent GUI tool in Python, as it can be run on Android, iOS, Linux and Windows, etc. Kiwi provides you the functionality to write the code for once and run it on different platforms. It is basically used to develop the Android application, but it does not mean that it can't be used on desktop applications. So guys, here you can see the code for Kiwi. So first of all guys, we have to import Kiwi, then we have to type kiwi.require 1.9.1. after that we have to type from kiwi.app import app, then kiwi.uix.button import button. Then we have to create a class, and the class name gonna be button app, and we have to type app, and then we have to create a function, and then the function name gonna be built, and we have to pass a parameter which is self, and after that we have to create a button is equal to button, then text will gonna be push me, and after that we have to type return btn, then root is equal to button app, then root.run. So it will run our program. And guys, here you can see in the above output the button will cover the whole window, as we have not given any specific size or done on styling in the button. So by default it shows button equal size to the window size. So this is the way to how we can customize the button. So first of all, here you can see in the def which is function, you can see we added the font size, and we added the background color, and we added color, size hint and positions, and these are just similar to HTML CSS effects. By this we fix the position of a button at the center of the window, text, size, color and everything you want. One of the common problem is how to add functionality to the button. So to add functionality we use bind function to binds the function to the button, and binds creates an event that is sent to callback. One of most common problem for new Kiwi users is misunderstanding how to bind methods work, especially amongst newer Python users who haven't fully their intuition about function calls. So guys, here you can see import Kiwi, then from kiwi.app and import app, these three are the import which we have imported to our first code. And here you can see class button app will gonna be same, this will gonna be same, but we have to create a new function, and that function is gonna be callback. Then we have to pass two parameters, the first is self and the second is event. Then we have to type print button pressed and print u and we can type ha 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 whatever we want to type. So guys, I hope you understand this Kiwi, and guys, in the next tutorial we will learn something more about programming. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.